How to enable or disable video scopes in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the color workspace at the bottom of the interface. This is where the video scopes are most commonly used and accessible. Next, move your attention to the top menu of the screen. Click on the workspace menu, then hover over video scopes. To enable video scopes, select the option on and it will open all the available scopes. If you want a faster way, you can also use the shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus W to quickly enable or disable the scopes without navigating through the menu. When the scopes are enabled, you can further customize them. You will notice a pop-up window showing scopes like parade, waveform, vector scope, and histogram. Right-click inside that window to choose which ones you want to view or rearrange them as needed. You can also dock or undock the scopes window to suit your workflow. If you want to disable them, just repeat the same steps. Either use the shortcut or go back to the workspace, then video scopes menu and uncheck the option. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable video scopes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.